My patients tell me about the frustrations, the embarrassments, and the isolation they have experienced with their hearing loss. We all want to be connected to our family and friends, enjoy lifelong activities, and be able to manage our own lives. When you have hearing problems, you misunderstand and you don't trust what you hear. Trying to cope with all this as well as figure out how to correct the problems can be confusing. As a doctor of audiology, my training and years of experience help me to provide accurate and complete testing of your hearing. The best part for me are all the happy stories my patients tell me about hearing what's going on around them. Folks don't have to shout or repeat. The grandchildren start to make a little more sense. Though none of the men like hearing more clearly all those chores their wives want them to do.
I remember the first day I got them, I went out and took a walk around the block like I normally do in the morning, and it was great to hear all the birds that I hadn't heard for years and years.
Come into Family Hearing Center, meet me and the staff, and make these important decisions about your hearing in an informative, comfortable, caring way.